Welcome to Whispers. So, Igboho has revelations for us. Hmm, let's find out. I am the MD of Adesun, Petroleum and Gas. I am not a scammer, Igboho reveals. This was from a short interview posted online, although it was a hard talk session between Councillor Fumi Ademilua and Igbo's spokesperson Olayomi Koiki, where everything about the Yoruba nation was up for discussion, with questions ranging from going back to our history, our identity, and emancipation. Why now? Fumi Ademola was asking the question, why now? And Olayomi Koiki was like, yes, now, because it is now, because we want the truth, because knowing the truth leads to peace of mind. Questions also range from why were we joined together in the first place? Why did those in the past never looked into these issues? There were questions about who signed the amalgamation, who were those that sat at the round table to discuss and agree to it. And Olayomi Koike was of the opinion that maybe if these issues and questions were ironed out back then, there wouldn't be any need for it now. They were later joined by Sunday Igboho, who said, and I quote, "I need to greet my family, both home and abroad, for their support. I thank you so much, and I pray that God will be with all of you, and you will never lack in Jesus' name." Igboho also said some people said I'm doing this because I'm looking for money. Well, I am a successful businessman, and 1 million Fulanis cannot stop me from going anywhere I want. How much do I want to scam people for? God answered my prayers, and well at that. No one can say I scammed them. I am a businessman, the owner of Adesun International Concepts Limited, MD of Adesun Petroleum and Gas Company, and I have been the owner for many years. Even when the Nigerian government checked my account, they knew I was a big man. He made it very clear that it wasn't a scammer. He made it clear that he wasn't bothered about people who wanted to make use of his fame. As is expected, people will want to tap from him to Jembe. He said he doesn't need to respond to them. He said all that matters is that the unlawful activities of Fulanese, such as killing, raping, and kidnapping of our families, and taking ransom, is enough. Because enough is enough. It must stop. Enough is indeed enough, and it must stop in Yoruba land. On disrespecting others, Sunday Igboho further said, people have been accusing us of abusing the kings of the Yoruba land. We don't mean to. It's just that we are passionate about our cause. He apologized to anyone who was insulted to forgive them. He said some of the comments were not intended, saying ẹnu ọmọ ọba ìyá pàdé mọ́, a lè bú ọba lẹ́yìn ẹ̀, láí, a kìí ṣe lójú ẹ̀. We are only asking the kings for advice. Moreover, Baba Awólọ́wọ̀ ní tó bá tó time àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké tẹ́ ẹ̀tàn yẹn máa béèrè fẹ́tàn wọn. Baba Awólọ́wọ̀ ní tó bá tó time àwọn ọmọ yẹn máa dìde from nowhere wọ́n máa gbèjà ara wọn àsìkò náà nìyí o Olúwa sì dúró tì wọ́n. This is the time we need to fight for our right, no going back. He went on to say that this was the right time for the Yoruba people to stand for their right. Excuse me. So there you have it, guys. From the MD of Adesun Petroleum and Gas, the owner of Adesun International Concept Limited, our very own son of the soil, Chief Sunday Adeyemo Igboho. And he has made it clear to everybody that he is not a scam. He said, God answered. Ọlọ́run gbàdúrà mi dáadáa. God answered him. And very well like that. So, yeah, there you have it, guys. From the horse's mouth. So, no contention. Yeah, just set the record straight. So, until I come your way again. Bye.